What's up guys, welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we're making creamy shrimp Alfredo pasta. To begin, in a large pot of hot boiling water, add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. The olive oil will prevent the pasta from sticking together. Season the water with 1 tablespoon of salt. Then add in 12 ounces of fettuccine pasta. Cook according to the package instructions until al dente. While the pasta is cooking, pat dry 1 pound of shrimp which have already been peeled and deveined. Season with half a teaspoon of salt, a quarter of a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper or to taste, and a quarter of a teaspoon of paprika. Go ahead and toss that in. Once the pasta has cooked al dente, drain but do not rinse. Now, in a skillet over medium-high heat, add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Cook the shrimp about 2 minutes per side or until no longer translucent. And after about 4 minutes, remove from the skillet to prevent overcooking. Then, in the same skillet, add in 2 tablespoons of butter, followed by a medium-sized onion finely minced. Saute until the onion becomes translucent. Then, add in 2 cloves of garlic minced. Saute the garlic for about 1 minute or until fragrant. Stir in 1/3 of a cup of white wine. Reduce down until most of the wine has evaporated. Now add in 2 cups of heavy cream. Bring to a boil, then let it simmer for about 2 minutes. After simmering for 2 minutes, bring the pasta in. Add 1 cup of shredded parmesan cheese. Go ahead and stir that in. Toss until the pasta is evenly coated in the sauce. Now bring the shrimp back in. Continue tossing and get them coated in the Alfredo sauce. Now turn the heat off and finish it off with fresh Italian parsley. Now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, creamy shrimp Alfredo pasta. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching.